To find the directory of activities, first scroll to the bottom of the social responsibility page. Click Explore SDGs in the grey box. Once you've reached the SDGs page, scroll down again. And click Search our directory of activities in the purple box. Now you've reached the directory of activities. As you can see, there are many different initiatives listed. You can fine-tune your search by selecting specific SDG goals on the right-hand side of the page. Additionally, you can search based on function. So now we've selected Goal 2 and Operations. Alternatively, you can use the keyword feature if there is something specific you're looking for. For instance, university initiatives involving museums. Another way to navigate to this page is by clicking the SDGs heading on the purple banner. Then you pick Search Our Activities on the drop-down menu. You can also fine-tune your search based on our 5 social responsibility priorities that are listed on the right-hand side. Then you can specify your location. Here we're searching for initiatives that are based in Greater Manchester.